Whiskey Town right now with Brian and Bryce. They got a little jump start on me. Just gotta stop, grab some little bit of tackle, and I'll be out there. Hopefully we get some. All right. What's that? So two spotted bass were biting each other in the lip at the surface. Weird. Oh, no. That was a good one. That big one took off. Yeah, look at, there's the male right there. See the other one right there? See the male? Oh, this is what I hate. I'm spending too much time in this shit, but. The big one? You got him? Yep. It's not the big one, but it's a good one. This is the, I pulled it out right there, so I'm gonna drop it where Cody said this big one. What is it? Oh, there's the big one right there. I just turned it so I'm sitting on that bed again. They won't stop. They will not deny chasing this. What? This little tiny tri-tech, dude. It is a good one. You can keep trying to dodge me, but oh, there was a dodge. She went for a dodge on that one. Look how big that fish is behind you, Brian. See right there? Oh my god, yeah. If I can get this one in ever, I'll try throwing this on it. Go. That one. Take a minute. Not a bad one. Only took 3 hours. This one, that is definitely a mean mouth. Thing is cool looking. Nice one. $16 and a half. Ooh, in the boat. Thank you. Another decent one. Not bad. No, he came off. That was a smallmouth. Oh, it broke me off. It fucking broke me off. God damn it. Little fatty. All right.